From a base coat of white scar, paint the majority of the blade with Yriel Yellow, making sure to leave a line of white scar at the innermost edge. Paint the majority of the rest of the blade with Trollslayer Orange, again leaving a line of the previous colour visible. Keep the paint thin and aim to cover it in 3 to 4 thin layers. Repeating this process in an even smaller area using Evil Sunz Scarlet. Use Mephiston Red then to pick out the very edge of the blade in the darkest of the colours. Edge highlight the entire blade using Dorn Yellow, as thin an edge highlight as you can manage using the side of the brush, and avoid having the paint too thin as this will make it more likely to spill onto the blade itself. You can add further definition to this edge highlight, picking out some of the sharper areas with white scar. And this is the finished result. If you like this video, feel free to check out the channel where there are numerous other tutorials, and if you want to be kept up to date on content, please consider subscribing.